You are looking at a healthy and low-carb meal prep perfection. Keep watching to see how these buffalo chicken power bowls are made. If you're looking for simple, easy, and healthy meals to make, you're in the right place. It's what I'm all about, and today I am sharing a low-carb, Whole30 friendly meal made with buffalo chicken, cauliflower rice, and homemade ranch dressing. First things first, the ranch. I'm not sure if you're a buffalo chicken with ranch or blue cheese dressing person, but we get a little bit of both today. Here, I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, milk, a little chopped parsley, dried dill, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. We're gonna cover it, seal, and shake to combine. Homemade ranch is so easy to make and much more delicious than the bottled version. It'll last up to 1 week in the fridge. Next, let's move on to the cauliflower rice. Today, I'm going the easy route by steaming it in the microwave. Cauliflower rice is an answer to prayers for anyone doing low-carb, Whole30, or if you're on the Family Kickstart program. It's an easy way to enjoy classic recipes like fried rice or jambalaya without the guilt. I'll make sure to share both recipes in the description box below, as well as how to make cauliflower rice. So you might be wondering where I got the buffalo chicken from. I made it in the slow cooker, which you can see how to do that in this video. I use it for all sorts of things like tacos, salads, quesadillas, just to name a few. If you want to make these ASAP and don't want to wait on the slow cooker, buy a rotisserie chicken, shred the meat, and toss it with buffalo sauce. It works every time. Believe it or not, we're totally ready to assemble. So let's scoop some cauliflower rice into the bowl, top it with buffalo chicken, avocado, tomatoes, diced onion, blue cheese. After all, it is buffalo chicken, and a drizzle of ranch. See how amazing it looks? I can't wait any longer. So good. All the buffalo flavors are in there, plus the ranch dressing and blue cheese. This is definitely a favorite of mine. For the measurements, the recipe, check the description box right below the video. And while you're down there, look left and click on that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week. See you next time.